I would like to thank you all for giving me this opportunity to witness a extremely gallant and very well coordinated and orchestrated parade. My congratulations to all of you. You have done brilliant. And I would also like to congratulate the drill instructors here who have done a lot of good work, and it was indeed a pleasure watching this parade. My compliments to the parade commander as well for a work very well done. You have completed your 10 months training today. It's a rigorous training. You have worked hard. It's not easy. I remember being in the same position. Mind you, your days in PTC will be with you forever. This experience you will never forget. Whenever you close your eyes, you come back here. You must have had plenty of experiences here. Some good, some bad, some not so good. But at the same time, you would have made a lot of friends amongst you, your batchmates, and these friendships last a lifetime. I see you are very well, looking trained physically very well, you are looking so fit. So I will urge you to maintain the fitness level as you come for the day-to-day policing. You will only benefit from that, because all that hard work you have put, you're going to see, you're going to realize soon that it's going to help you in performing your duties.
61 lady police constables of 47 deaths have taken a solemn and firm oath to serve the nation. I hope and sincerely wish that they will keep up the promise made by them today. First of all, I thank today's chief guest, Honorable DIGP Sri Jitendra Singh Ji, who has specially spent his valuable time with us to grace this occasion. We are extremely grateful and indebted to you, sir, and take it as our privilege to have your blessing to young police personnel of this batch. I assure you, sir, that your valuable advice will be remembered and strictly followed by us. I thank respected DGP sir, IGP sir, and DIGP Goa sir for their valuable advice and able guidance from time to time during the training period of this lady police constable, and to make this function a great success. I also thank officers of all ranks of Goa Police for attending this function despite their busy schedule. I also thank officers of other departments for attending this occasion. We are also thankful to all government departments and other local bodies for providing necessary help and thus making this function a great success.